welcome to the vlog. So today is February 14th. It is Friday, so happy Friday as well. I'm here at my old job at the bank, and I decided to make a little bouquet of little Debbie snack cakes, like the heart-shaped ones, for my ex-coworker Jess. So I wanted to bring that to her, and then I have much more planned in the day, so I'll be recording my day for Valentine. So I showed up and I think they have a customer right now. I wanted to kind of wait till the lobby was a little empty, so let me just sit here for a bit and then I'll get off as soon as they leave. All right, this is the bouquet. Hey. Hello. Is Jess here? She hiding. Not you breaking it already. You're already eating it. Right now. We made it in with 10 minutes before they closed. We're currently at the Art Institute and everybody's leaving and we're barely heading up. My eyes are burning because it's so cold outside. So pretty. This is my first time in here and I wish we had more time, but it's really pretty. Like, I'm gonna show you. So these guys just gave us these roses. I guess they were walking around passing. So they want us. But that was sweet of them. Okay, so now we're at a little restaurant called Sugary Chicago. Oh yeah, I see the heart. It's right here on Michigan Avenue, so it's really cute. Look, featuring our flowers. I got a hot chocolate. It came in this extravagant cup. And then she got the chai. Oh, that's cute. A little rose. I got the chicken tinga sandwich with avocado. And then what did you get?
I got the chicken tinga burrito.
Ooh, looks so good. They're like little bouquets that I made with my information, and I just think they're cute to pass out. So yeah, I'm gonna maybe try to stuff them in this purse, take everything out, and then just pass them out to people passing by. Yeah. We just left TJ Maxx. We passed a few of these out, but it's literally snowing so bad right now. Oh wait, let me give these to somebody really quick. Anyways, I was just telling Ruby that last Valentine's that I ever had a Valentine. It was snowing like this after we finished eating, and it's snowing again right after we got out of the stores. So yeah, it's snowing pretty hard. As you can see, my hair is covered in it.
Guys, it was a sign. Oh my god.
It's really pretty, but it's hard to see. It's literally so hard to see, guys. It's like getting in my eyelids. It's not that cold, but I mean it is hard to even see in here.
Oh my god.
See the wind heading over there towards the lake. It's crazy. We're covering ourselves up right now. Look at that. Alright, we tried to do the balaclava and I feel suffocating because my scarf is so little.
Blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind, that word, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got